Today, we're doing a dollar store haul. In the process of making the dollar store haul.
Dollar Tree.
Same difference. Dollar store steak.
I'm at Dollar Tree.
And now to eat everything from Dollar Tree.
Run.
No,
That's fishy as fuck.
this is gonna be a give or take for me. I hate it all the way.
Not bad.
Not bad.
It's alright. Stop eating it, then bitch, I'll buy it again.
Shit looks ashy as hell.
Loaded potato sticks.
Loaded potato stick. I can see the fascination with them.
I don't know how hot it is. It's literally drying up just from sitting here. Cardboard box.
Yeah, just
You know, even just a little bit of salt and pepper on that.